A properly compressed wax ring will be visibly flattened without being forced into the drain opening, and the toilet base will sit evenly and flush on the floor. When checking a wax ring seal, start by loosening the toilet bolts and rocking the toilet slightly to inspect the compression around the flange area. A good seal shows a clear, even band of wax visible between the toilet horn and the flange at the base of the bowl without wax extruding deep into the drain. If you must remove the toilet for inspection, cleanly cut and remove the old wax with a putty knife and paper towels to avoid contaminating the flange face. Measure the flange height relative to the finished floor. If the flange sits too low, use a flange extender or a wax ring with a higher profile to achieve proper compression. Press the toilet straight down over the bolts, applying steady, even weight rather than shifting side to side, and tighten the bolts incrementally in an alternating pattern to prevent tilting. After installation, check for wobble by placing a level on the toilet base in 2 perpendicular directions and recheck for visible wax squeeze out that stays only around the outer perimeter and never plugged into the drain. The most common error is under compression, where the wax ring looks thin or gaps remain and leaking occurs. Remedy this by using a thicker wax ring or adding wax ring shims and ensuring the flange height is correct before setting the bowl. Overcompression is another frequent issue where wax is pushed into the drain blocking flow and deforming the ring. Avoid this by choosing the correct profile ring for your flange height and lowering the bowl straight down without excessive force. Lastly, uneven seating causes rocking and an inconsistent seal. Correct that by tightening bolts evenly, using shims under the toilet base if needed to make the base sit flush, and re-leveling before final bolt torque. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find local contractors for tasks like reseating a toilet or replacing a wax ring, and we provide tools to post and respond to jobs. Our site also connects contractors with work and hosts a discussion community where we all share tips and troubleshooting experiences.